Hey guys, my name is Lacey and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to go over 3 different stocks that I think are going to do really well in the upcoming year and years to come. Now before we get started, I just want to ask if you guys can like this video and subscribe. This is my very first video, so I could use all the help that I can get. Also, I am not a financial advisor, so everything I'm about to share with you is for entertainment purposes only. So if you are looking to invest in these companies, I would encourage you to do your own research or talk to a financial advisor. But with that being said, let's get into it. First stock on the list is Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA. The stock currently trades at $41 with a 52-week high of $59.78 and a 52-week low of $33.36. Now, as of 2020, the stock is currently underperformed in the market, and that's because they don't have that great of a balance sheet. They really only saw a 2% increase in sales revenue in the last quarter of 2020. During the October 15th earnings call, CEO Stefano Pessina said that while we expect the first half of 2021 to be impacted by continued COVID pressures, we expect strong growth in the second half of the year. Now, while I agree with the CEO that the most growth they are going to see is going to be in the back half of 2021, I still think there will be some growth in the beginning. And I think that's because that now that the vaccine is available to essential workers and some politicians, I think that's going to give the American people some hope. And as long as there's no setbacks in positive results, they're going to continue to roll out the vaccine to the general public, and I think that once it's out to the general public, I think that's when the stock is really going to take off and explode. The second stock is JPMorgan Chase, ticker symbol JPM. The stock currently trades at $119.08 with a 52-week high of $141.10 and a 52-week low of $76.91. Back in March, when non-essential businesses were forced to shut down and unemployment rates rose, the stock fell 44%. Though they did struggle, they were able to allocate $19.4 billion for future loan losses. This is because of their impressive balance sheet and were able to allocate any loss that they took without going into bankruptcy. Last Friday, the Feds announced that all national banks could buy back their shares, and so the CEO of Chase ordered a 30 billion share repurchasing program in 2021. He said, "Our highest and best use of capital continues to be supporting our clients and driving an inclusive economic recovery. We will continue to maintain a fortress balance sheet that allows us to safely deploy capital by investing in and growing our businesses, supporting consumers and businesses, paying a substantial dividend, and returning any remaining excess capital to shareholders. If they are able to buy back all their shares and keep their loss at a low and their revenue at a high, I don't think any other bank will be able to compete with them." The last stock on the list is Disney, ticker symbol DIS. The stock currently trades at $175 with a 52-week high of $179.45 and a 52-week low of $79.07. It is no doubt that Disney was hit hard when they were forced to close all of their parks. And because they rely so heavily on their parks as a big source of their income, they took a huge loss. The fiscal third quarter, which ended on June 27th, saw park earnings drop by 85%, which equated to $983 million. And their operating loss skyrocketed to $2 billion. But you can never count Disney out. They are a huge company who will always come out on top. And so since they couldn't rely on their parks, they relied on their streaming service, Disney+, which had popular hits like Star Wars, Marvel, and Pixar. It is estimated that they've already made $230 to $260 million alone just from subscriptions. And a couple months back, they were able to open up their China and Florida parks with strict regulations. And even though the one in California is not open yet, they plan on doing so when it is safe. And I believe that once all the parks are open, plus the success of Disney+, the stock will skyrocket. So those are my 3 stocks that I plan on buying in the weeks to come. Let me know in the comments below if you guys plan on buying any of the stocks or if you want me to do a video on another stock. I hope you guys have a great day and thank you so much for watching.